Alex left for work at 7 a.m. I waited until 9 to check his messages. There it was. Honey, you're my favorite. My hands shook as I read the same line again. His ex had sent this to him 3 days ago, and he never told me. I stared at the fridge where I'd left his coffee mug, still steaming with her lipstick stain. When he came home, I asked if he ever saw the message. He said no, but then whispered, "You didn't think I'd notice?" His voice cracked as he admitted she was still in town. Now I'm waiting for him to say what comes next.